Hi everyone, I'm Swati Arora. Today I'm bringing to you my new video series by the name of Pursuit of Happiness. Pursuit of Happiness I bring to you because we are always looking for happiness, isn't it? We are all running behind happiness. We may be having the best of the jobs in the world, but still we are looking for happiness. We may have the most enviable family, the most wonderful partner, but we are still looking for happiness. We may be having the wealth of the world to buy our needs, but we are still looking for happiness. That's the reason why I bring this video to you today, which will be talking about very simple and easy tips that we can bring about happiness back in our life. The first thing that I want to talk about today is do what you love. Yes, do what you love. While it may sound very simple, but that's not something that we follow. A lot of people follow in a daily basis. If I were to ask you, do you really know what you love, truly love in your life? Trust you me, there will be a question mark in your mind, right? Yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about. As a child, we all knew what we want, what we love doing. We loved painting, singing, dancing, talking to our friends, and a whole lot of other things. But as we grow older, life happened, right? And we followed the rat race as usual. And we forgot, a lot of people forgot what they really loved doing immensely, which brought immense joy to them. That's exactly what I'm saying, friends. Bring back that lost love of your life. Bring it back, inculcate it in your life. Whether it is singing, dancing, painting, photography, travel, or as a matter of fact, even cooking. I know a lot of people who love cooking. Get it back and make sure that you bring back this love of your life into your life. Spend at least some time, a day, or at least in a week doing this activity. And trust you me, I assure you, it'll get a whole lot of joy and happiness back in your life. So that brings me to the second point, and that is focus on the what rather than the why. Now, when I say that, a lot of times when we are faced with problems in our life, when we are faced with obstacles in our lives, we tend to subconsciously go back to the past. We tend to think about, why did this happen to me? Why did I fail? Whose fault was this? Subconsciously, what we are doing is we are getting into a blaming mode. We start blaming ourselves or someone else for our non-achievement. Now, if you focus on the why, what will happen to you? You will automatically convert into a negative person who will keep going to the past and not focus on the future or the today. Rather, I would say, focus on the what questions. What do I really want? What do I want now? What can I do to make this happen? What steps do I take today? Those are the questions that you need to subconsciously start asking your mind. Friends, remember this. Whatever internal dialogue that you have with yourself, whatever conversation that you have with yourself internally, those actually influence a lot in your personality. And that is exactly why I say, if you want to convert yourself into a positive personality, becoming happy and influential in life, try to ask yourselves always the what questions rather than the why questions. And that brings me to my third point for today. Put yourself above everything else. Remember, you cannot pour out from an empty cup, can you? Learn to love yourself more. Prioritize yourself over others. While it may sound a bit selfish, I know that, but it's important for you to take care of your own self. It's good and it's admirable, it's highly appreciative that we are taking care of others' happiness. Without attaining our own happiness, do you think you'll be able to consistently give happiness to others? That's not going to happen, right? And we forget that. We pour in a lot of happiness for others, but we forget that our cup of happiness also needs to be filled up. And that's exactly why I say, take care of your own self. Love yourself. Learn to love yourself. Take out your time for a good, nice enjoyable, lovely massage one of the days. Go for a weekend trip. Go for a drive whenever you want to. Treat yourself with some goodies that you love. Do something, but self-love is the key. That's important, and that will get a lot of happiness back in your life. So these were the 3 tips that I wanted to talk about this week. The first one, do what you love. The second, focus on the what questions rather than the why questions to yourself. And the third one, put yourself above everything else. So friends, practice these 3 tips in this week while I come back to you with some more amazing tips the next week. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.